Mr. Crypto Web 3 Gaming.
Crypto Gamer, today I'm sharing with Hamster Combat minigame or the psychology movement. Okay, let's play. Okay, the first one is move this and move the screen. Move up this one, move the screen. And after that, move this a little bit of red. And after that, move this gray. Move this one. And then move this one. Move. And down this one. And okay. After that, this. Okay. Okay, wrong. This one. Like that. And then move this one. Move. Okay. A little bit. Move this one. Move. Okay, after that, move this one. Move. Okay. Then move. Then move. Move. And get the key. Let's go. Pass